Trap watchers, what's going on? Today is August the 19th, 2021. Tilray. We're going to talk about Tilray today. We're going to let you all know, can we finally get a play on this stock? Can we finally come into the market and bang out some profits for us? We got you. Because you can see, we didn't do a price prediction on our last video in Tilray, which was on July 29th. For the most part, we told everyone on that video to be prepared for the market in Tilray to go lower because we expected it to drop, but we just didn't know how low the market would go. So we're here now. We got you. We're going to talk about Tilray and see, can we put in a prediction now? Because if so, we will. If not, we won't. And we just go on to another play and see where else we can make some money. If you want to join us, hit us up. Hit the like button, and also subscribe here to our channel. We are here to assist our community to make sure that everyone has the ability to eat. We all need to eat. And the only way that we can eat is when we go against everyone else. It's just that simple. Everyone else is trying to go against us. They're trying to take our money, and it's vice versa. We need to try to take the money from them. Nothing more, nothing less. All right. So, should you buy? Should you hold? Should you sell Tilray? That's the question. So as I go through these charts, I want you all to answer that question. Should you buy? Should you hold? Should you sell Tilray? Like, where do you think the price is going to go? Because let's get one thing straight. Okay, the market is real. Okay, when you look at price, it is what it is. You cannot come in and try to alter the price to your favor. You can't do it. So when the market is giving you something, you need to take it as gospel. You need to run with it and say it is what it is. That is the biggest aspect that you have when you understand the markets. You don't become emotional, right? You say, cool, the market is going down. That's the way we're going to go until I see something different, right? So check this out. I'm going to follow this trend, right? I want you all to tell me, what direction has the price in Tilray gone, right? I want you all to tell me, what's the trend? Where have we gone in Tilray since, right? Like, keep it real. You got to see it for what it is, right? I don't care how much we want the price to go up in Tilray. It's not doing it. Okay. And if it's not doing it, we need to say, cool, I just don't need to play in the market in Tilray until I see a change occur. We're in a downtrend, right? This market in Tilray has been in a downtrend since June 3rd, 2021. Tilray has been going lower and lower in price. So that should give you a hint as to whether or not you should buy, sell, or hold Tilray. Now, your first inclination would be, I need to sell because the price is going down. Oh, okay. Or you might say, I need to buy because the price is cheaper than where we were at in June and the stock is on discount. Look, don't do that. Don't come in and start speaking this stuff that YouTubers are talking about. Stocks on discount, because stocks never go on discount. The price is what it is. Just because the price in Tilray back on June was trading around $22, there's no guarantee that we'll ever see Tilray's price trade at $22 ever again. There's no guarantee. So for you to come in and say that Tilray is on discount is false, because the price in Tilray can go to zero and we will never see the price hit 22. So just be prepared on the type of lingo that you are picking up from these YouTubers. The price is what it is. There's no discounts. There's no sales. You just come in, buy the market where it is, only under the expectation to gain more than what you originally purchased the product for. So, okay, we're in the downtrend. Now, obviously, we are still holding the support area, this line that is right here, around $12. Okay. Now, on yesterday, take a look at the volume, right? First thing I tell you is to always look at the volume in the market. What happened? We saw the price in Tilray jump on some supposed good news, but that wasn't the reason why the price went higher. The price went higher because we've already came down here and hit support, right? Take a look back on July 27th. The market in Tilray was trading around $13 too. The next day, the 28th of July, we saw a massive move higher on high volume. Take a look here. August the 17th, we did the same thing. The price was trading around $13. The next day, on high volume, we saw the market trade around 14. It's no different. Albeit the size of the move is the only thing that is different. But in the sense of where we've gone, we went lower and shot higher on both times. Okay. So now the question is, would you buy? Would you sell? Would you hold Tilray? Take a look. What would you do? If you was the only one looking at the market in Tilray, what would you do? This is the 3-day time frame. Don't forget, the downtrend is definitely entrenched. We haven't broken the downtrend in Tilray. Okay, we haven't. This is the only way we'll break the downtrend in Tilray is when the market either consolidates and breaks this descending line and we start trading sideways, then the downtrend has been broken, or 2, we break it up. Those are the only 2 options. And until one of those 2 occur, the price is anticipated to continue to drop. It's just that simple. Okay. So the question is, are we seeing a play here? I mean, are we still seeing an opportunity to call the market, to see the price go higher? Because as of this particular moment, I don't even see a play here in Tilray even right now. The only thing that I would tell you is that we're still weak in Tilray. Okay. So if you are a buy side individual, right, in Tilray, would you buy this? Seeing how the market in Tilray is still weak, would you buy this? Or would you wait? Right? Would you come in and wait? It seems to me, based off this chart, that the market in Tilray is waiting for some type of news. And until such time, we've had people who are in the market in Tilray sell it. Right? People have been selling the market in Tilray. And on every news catalyst, they want to confuse us and tell us that, hey, that's positive. That's good news. Maybe the legalization of cannabis is going to happen across all 50 states. Or Tilray has bought up or merged with another cannabis company. Is that good news? So they want to confuse us and make us think that these are all positive catalyst events to spruce up the price, to put a little bit more life in this market so that they can sell while we buy it. And they already know that the price is going to continue to drop. I mean, take a look. All of this, if we could pull back and look on the internet of all the news for Tilray, all the way starting from June 21st, 2021, all the positive news that has came out in Tilray, or what we perceive to be positive news, and the price continues to drop. Ask yourself the question, why? It's because those individuals who understand the market in Tilray is selling on those news. So the question is, would you come in and buy the market in Tilray? Would you hold or would you sell? Now, I will tell you this. I don't see a play here. I don't. The only thing that I see is that the current downtrend is still in play. I would play the downside in Tilray. I would, but I'm waiting to see what the trap is going to do once it comes down to, man, let me get this right. Once it comes down to this area right here, okay, $12. I want to see some strength coming to the market in Tilray around 12. And until that point, the downtrend is still entrenched. We're going to go lower, right? I'm just not going to put a price prediction on it, but I'm still playing the weak side in the market in Tilray. And as this market comes down to the $12 price, and I see strength and I see volume come through that is convincing to let me know that the market is coming in and buying up the price in Tilray around 12, then I understand that we're going to go higher. But until such time, we got to follow what the market is giving us. And right now, the market in Tilray is weak. I'm just not going to put a price prediction on it because let me see. It may not even be worth putting in a price prediction in Tilray, right? So for the market to come down to $12, about 10%, I mean, it's decent, but given the circumstances of this environment and where price is right now, would you want to risk that, right? Would you want to come in and actually risk losing some of your soldiers into the war, understanding that the market has the ability to bounce off this area right here because we've already done it? Okay, we've been there, we're here now. Would you want to come in and risk your position of losing only to get 10.32% out the market? I mean, maybe you have that adjustment, maybe you have that risk tolerance, but for us, we're going to wait. Okay, even though I can see the weakness happening into the market in Tilray. Okay, so let me know, what do you all think about Tilray? Do you think the market price is going to continue to go lower? Do you think we're going to trade sideways? Do you think we're going to continue to go higher? I mean, tell me something. Call the markets. I mean, you have so many people out here telling you one thing, it could go higher, and then the next thing they say, it could go lower. That don't benefit us at all. So let me tell you this. Yes, the market is weak in Tilray. So if I had to tell you what direction I'm expecting the price to go in Tilray, it is down. Right? I will be expecting the price to go lower, but to the point to where I can see 13, I can even see the price come all the way down to $12.50 to even $12. That's about it. And then from there, the market can bounce and go higher. So right now, I ain't gonna touch it. Right, I'm gonna remain calm. I'm gonna be cool. I'm gonna let the market continue to work itself out because there will always be plays. You don't have to rush into the market and expect that you're missing out on the move because the market will always be here. And if there's not a play in Tilray, best believe that there's a play somewhere else. You just gotta understand where to find them. All right, so join us. Tell me, call the market right alongside with us. We didn't call it here. We're gonna chill out. Let the market continue to work itself out in Tilray, and once we get a little bit more information, best believe we'll pounce, we'll jump in and profit. Now, if you see a play here though, I mean, tell everyone in our community what you are seeing. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.